Hello and welcome back to my channel, Single Mom Review. I'm jumping on to share another PR item that I received, and I was actually so super excited about this item. I received an email from this company asking me if I would like to try this item out and review it, and not only do I use this item daily for multiple hours a day, but I'm always looking for new and improved. So let's get into this package and see what it is. Yes, 99% of the world probably uses this on a daily basis. This is a PD fast charger and cable. It's a USB-C to Lightning cable and a PD and QC fast charger. And it's for iPhones, iPads, and iPods. It is 20 watts and it is by Elktry. So let's open this up and see what it looks like. I'm super excited. I use my phone all the time. I'm always charging it, so I'm so super excited to try a new charger and cable out. So let me open this up. Okay, here we go. All right. Here we go. All right, here's the cable. Just your regular charging cable. And here is the actual wall charger, the box. I think my son calls it the box. It has a little where you push it into the outlet, pull it out, and it has the two different PD and a QC. And this right here is going to go into looks like this one. Yep, right like that. And then this would go into the phone. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try this for a couple of days, and then I'm going to get back on and let you guys know if I thought it charged fast, easy to use, just kind of what I thought about it. So I'm going to use this for a couple of days, and then I will be back to share my thoughts. Okay, and I am back on, and I have been using this Elktry phone charger, and oh my gosh, it has been charging super fast. I did try to kind of time it, and when I was actually using my phone, it charged about 1% every 30 seconds, and that's whenever it was plugged in charging, but I was still using my phone. And when my phone was off and I was not using it and it was charging, I would say it took about 30 to 40 minutes for it to charge completely, 100% charge. So I consider that super fast. And so I'm very impressed. Highly recommend this Elktry iPhone, iPad, iPod charger. It's the PD fast charger and cable. The cable is very heavy duty. It would take a lot for it to start fraying or tearing apart. It's not flimsy at all and fit right into my phone, no issues. I'm very impressed. So I highly recommend this if you're looking for a fast charger. I did not use this end yet. This was the power delivery, and this is the quick charge here. I have not tried that one yet, but I can't wait to find something. I have not, just off the top of my head, grabbed something to put in there and see how that does. But so far, I am really impressed. It has the grip here where you grip it to put in and out. So all in all, this is a great product. So thank you to Elktry for letting me try this and review it. This is a product that I will use until it can't be used anymore. And I think all of us could probably say that. If we're on our YouTube, on our phones, we could all probably say that. So shout out to them for giving me the opportunity to try it. And I will be talking to y'all again real soon. Bye.